Good day, my name is Shoal. I work for company Micrographics, and we can be found on the web at www.mgfx.co.za. Right, so the new feature that I want to show a video of is looking at some of the dimension enhancements, in particular the slopes within ramps, as well as some of the dimension additions like prefix and adding prefixes and suffixes to your dimensions. Alright, so first up I was going to look at the ramps and the slope tool. We've got a ramp here, and if I now go and add or wanting to add a slope to this, in the annotation tab I've got spot slope. If I do that, it allows me to pick up this ramp. Now in the past it didn't want to, and obviously now you can. Obviously if you want some degrees, you can just select the particular dimension and change it. You can obviously duplicate it, maybe to add a degree, change the name. In this case I'll just change the units format to show degrees. Perhaps the symbol I'll also change, and the decimal places. Alright, so that done, it then indicates the degrees in slope. Alright, on the ramp. Then the dimensions, same sort of enhancement. So if I do go and select that, I have a style. That style is creates all the dimensions in this case. So what I need to do is I need to go and edit that, and then I could then duplicate, saying that this is now maybe one that has a prefix, for instance. Alright, so this one will now be different than that one, and if I then scroll down, the new feature that they've added in 2022 is these prefixes and suffixes within the primary units. Right, so if I add a prefix of something similar to that, and I say OK, then that particular dimension and the styles will have that as a prefix, and obviously not the other. If I want to change this to the similar one, I can just change the type to include the prefix as well. Right, okay, so in the past, if I just undo that, you could have done that by double clicking on the dimension and editing the item, and what we then could do is add a prefix there of something similar to. Right, so you could have done that, but that was just as a singular item. We now can add that in the style itself. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and see you on the next one. Thank you, bye bye.